Good morning, children.
Good morning, teacher.
Okay. Today we'll learn about cells. So cells are of two types, plant cell and animal cell. So today we'll learn about plant cell. So this is the structure of a plant cell. So major difference between plant cell and animal cell is, in a plant cell there is an outer layer or outer wall which is called as cell wall. Whereas in an animal cell, a cell membrane is present. So cell membrane is present both in plant cell and animal cell. Whereas in plant cell, a cell wall is present and after that there is a cell membrane. So inside the cell membrane there are different organelles. So first one is nucleus, which controls all the functions of the cell. Next, it also has a nucleolus, mitochondria, chloroplast, Golgi complex and other cell organelles. So main function of nucleus is controls all the functions of the other organelles which are present in the cell, and this nucleus has a material which is called as chromatin, and this chromatin is the genetic material which is transferred from one plant to another plant. So when you come to, this is the function of nucleus. Not only that, we also have the main function of why the plants are green in color is because of the chloroplasts which are present in the plant cell. So these chloroplasts and the pigment chlorophyll gives green coloration to plants. Not only that, in chloroplasts, the chlorophyll and the chloroplasts are necessary for photosynthesis, and because of photosynthesis oxygen is released into the atmosphere, and this oxygen is utilized by all the living organisms which are present on this earth. Next important one is mitochondria. This mitochondria is responsible for generating energy, and they generate energy in the form of ATP, and this ATP is called as energy currency of the cell, and all the energy produced is utilized by the plant cells, and also all the functions occurring within the plant cell. Next, other organelles. So major organelles are chloroplasts, and this chloroplasts are present only in plant cell and they are not present in animal cell. So because of the chloroplasts, plants are called as producers. So which means that they can prepare their own food material by the process of photosynthesis. So next, other organelles are Golgi complex, endoplasmic reticulum, and other cell organelles are present in the plant cell. So when you come to endoplasmic reticulum is also of two types, rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So rough endoplasmic reticulum is responsible for all the protein synthesis which occurs within the plant cell, whereas when you come to smooth endoplasmic reticulum, it is responsible for production of fat synthesis within the plant cell. So not only in plant cell, endoplasmic reticulum, both rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum both are present in plant cell as well as the animal cell, and they are responsible for protein synthesis and fat synthesis in both plant cells as well as animal cells. So these are the major differences, and this is about the description of the plant cell. Okay children, did you understand?
Yes, teacher.
Okay.